In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how you can run your own DeepSeek model using DataCrunch and DollarDeploy. And before we jump in, here's a quick overview of the two platforms we'll be using. So firstly, DataCrunch is a cloud platform that lets you run NVIDIA GPU clusters for AI workloads, including open source software. And DollarDeploy, on the other hand, is a deployment platform that makes it easy to install and manage AI models on your own or cloud-based servers. By combining DollarDeploy and DataCrunch, you can launch AI-powered instances quickly and affordably. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure that you're signed into your DollarDeploy account and have a subscription going on. I will leave a link down in the description to make it easier for you to sign up. After you're ready with that, you want to go ahead and connect your DollarDeploy account with DataCrunch by first signing up to their website, then going into this Keys section where you want to create your REST API credentials by simply clicking on Create, then entering a client name and finally clicking on Create Credentials, and you have received your API credentials. Now you want to copy the client ID and the client secret and head over to DollarDeploy, where you want to go to the dashboard, then navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon from the bottom left corner, and then go the integration section, where you want to paste your client ID and the client secret. And now just click on Check, and DollarDeploy will inform you that you've successfully connected your account to DataCrunch. Next step in this video is to deploy a template called Local AI inside DollarDeploy, which we can do with just a few clicks. So first, let's go back to the dashboard, and then we want to navigate to the templates of DollarDeploy by clicking View All under the Quickly Launch app from a template section. So here you will see all of the template available for deployment, and you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find this template called Local AI NVIDIA CUDA 12. After you found it, let's go ahead and click on Deploy, which will take you to this page where you will see some information about the local AI template. But now you just want to click on Deploy now. Next, there will be two different ways to deploy the template. And you want to go ahead and select the left option called Create DataCrunch, VPS, and then click Next. After that, the second last step is to just check that this first box says your location. Then in the second box, you will be able to select different versions. And here the prices vary from just a few cents per hour to then the more expensive ones that's price can go up to 30 euros per hour. But after you have selected your preferred version, in the last box you can just make sure that you are using a SSH key. Also note that DataCrunch will charge the amount that you've selected, but after checking that out, you are ready to click Next. And now Local AI is ready to launch, so whenever you're ready, go ahead and click on Commence to start the deploying process. During this process, DollarDeploy installs all the necessary updates to keep your hosts secure. This is why it might take a bit more to deploy your app on a new host. If you already have an existing host and are deploying another app to it, the process will be much quicker. Alright, the local AI template has now been successfully deployed. Now you can choose to view the app details or open the app directly. Let's click Open App. And here you will see the local AI platform that we will be using to run our own DeepSeek model. So after you're at the home menu of Local AI, we want to find DeepSeek from here. And that can be done by first going to Models section, where you will see all the available AI models that Local AI has to offer right now. And to find DeepSeek, you simply want to go to the search bar and type in DeepSeek. Now you will be able to see all of the DeepSeek versions. And now you can basically just select any version here and then install it so you can start using it. Once the install is ready, you are ready to start using DeepSeek. And next I will be showing you different things you can do with this AI tool. But to first find it, you want to go back to the home page of Local AI, and here it is. Now you want to click on the blue chat icon under DeepSeek's name, which is going to take you inside the chat of DeepSeek. And now you can start writing anything to it. I will just test if it works properly and warm it up a bit by typing something random to it. And as you can see, DeepSeek works like a charm. It takes a bit of time to first for the model warm-up, but once it is running, it runs really fast. Next, we could ask DeepSeek to code a simple game for us. And when we hit enter, DeepSeek gives us the code for the game in the matter of seconds. This seems to be some kind of a number guessing game, and you can use it freely on your own projects too. Next, we could ask it, for example, what else can DeepSeek do? So we will get a better understanding of its features. All right, DeepSeek wrote us that it is able to, for example, access vast amounts of data, which allows it to give answers to any questions. It can solve different problems, write or summarize text, and do much more. And that was how to run your own DeepSeek model using DollarDeploy and DataCrunch. And if you want to sign up to DollarDeploy, there will be a link down below in the description for your convenience. Thank you for watching.